Timothy. Welcome to today's session on adding data to a database in Entity Framework Core. Whether you have worked with a console application or ASP.NET Core web application, the steps are quite similar. So in this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step progress to add data to your database using Entity Framework Core. So if you missed any of the previous video in the series, you can check out the playlist to get up to speed. Okay, so now let's dive into today's topic. So we have to covering how to add the data to your database using NT Core. By ending of this video, you will understand how to create instance of module classes. So add them to the appropriate DB set in your DB context. Save the string to commit the data to the database. So these steps are critical whether you are using a corporate approach, like in this example, or other approaches. So let's get started. So prepare before adding the data. Before you can add the data, there are a few things you need to make sure of. First of all, define your model and their relationship. So set up a FDB contents with the DBSet property. So configure your connection string in application setting. Running migration and ensure the table are created in the database. Once your table are ready, you are good to go. So and then other step is create a model instance. The first step is to create instance of your model classes. So let's take the example of manager's class, which has a possibility like manager ID, first name, and last name. So simply the employee class will have a possibility like employee ID, names, first name and last name and salary. So in this example, the manager has a one-to-many relationship with the employees. So let's go ahead and create instance of both classes in program CS. So have a look here. So let's see. So the adding instance to the DB set once the instance have been created here, right? The DB instance have been created. So we need to add them to appropriate DB set into add this kind of things. So if this is get is created. So we new the instance here, and then we created a new instance. So add them to appropriate DB set in the app DB contents. Here now how we do it. So first create a app DB contents, and then using this statement to ensure that the process are correctly here. So I have finally add to instance like this, right? So now the manager instance here, manager instance, go back to the manager instance here. So now the manager instance added to the manager DB set. Okay, so I'm ready to save, and then save change to the database. It means this is crucial that to cause the save trains to actually commit the data to the database. So without this, your chain will not be saved. Okay, so and then look at another example here. So now the data is sorted, and go back here, and the manager's ID gets automatically generated by the database. So if everything is done correctly, the new data will be added to the table. Okay, so the the conclusion, and that is by following these three simple steps, you can add data to your database using entity viewer core, and then let me see. Here, go back here. The first step is a create an instance of the FDB context, and then the second step is create an entity for insert into the DB set properties. And then after you insert your entity into DB set, the first step is called the save train to commit the data into the database. So you make train from here. Okay, that's it. So So I hope this session will helpful for you. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to drop them into the comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more code content and tutorial. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.